How you doing? My name is Mark Beggs from Mind's Eye Education. On the 31st of October, myself and my wife Anne-Marie are coming in to give a half-day workshop to you and your team at Autism Assistance Dogs Ireland. The half-day workshop is all around neurodiversity. What is neurodiversity? What is dyslexia, dyspraxia, ADHD, dyscalculia? And what are the strengths of people and the weaknesses of people who, like me, are dyslexic or dyspraxic or ADHD? And how can you, in your work environment, make it better for people who are neurodiverse? How can we make the work environment better for people who are neurodiverse and make them do better in that work environment? How can you help your colleagues? Also, if you are dyslexic or dyspraxia or autistic or ADHD, how do we help you make the environment better? So on the day, you can ask questions. However, if you're like me, and sometimes you get shy in front of a crowd asking questions, and it's one of the traits of sometimes being dyslexic, you're very, very slow to put your hand up. Well then, look, just email me, markbeggs@gmail.com, and on the day, without mentioning your name, I'll make sure we answer those questions. So it's markbeggs@gmail.com, and we look forward to meeting you and all your team on the 31st of October in Cork. Have a great day and have a great weekend.